Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelechi and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this design. Alright, first I'm going to be showing you how I did this one, and then I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this one. A lot of persons had requested for the tutorial, so I just had to do one for them. And before you start watching, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video or comment if you learned something new. Now let's just jump right into the tutorial. First, we're going to be starting with this, then we're going to move over to this. And I did this all in Canva, as you can see. Okay, now this is my canvas, blank page, and I'll go to photos and search for forests. I need to get the background image. So I'm going to scroll down till I get the particular image that I am looking for. So I'm going to scroll down. Where are you? Where are you? Well, this image looks good. So I'm going to start this in case I want to create the design with it. I'm just going to move. Where is the image? No, not this one. Where are you? Okay, this is it. So this is it. I'm just going to drag it here. Yep. Yes. So this is the image. Now the next thing I did was search for think words. Yeah. So this is the one I used. Yes, this is the one I used to put it right here. Make sure it's in the middle. Now I apply the filter. Okay, I think streets, and then I reduce the intensity to 10. Did the same for this. Edit image, filter, streets, reduce the intensity to 10. So there you have it. It's a little bit too big. And after that, I applied the shadow effect on this planet right here, so it looks okay. So it looks like the planet image, it's inside this forest. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it again, increase the size. Okay, increase the blur, and I'm gonna reduce transparency just a bit. So this is one. Now the next thing I did was apply another shadow effect just behind this planet here. I think, yep, you can find it here. You can always create a custom shadow, okay, of any shape that you want. All you have to do is download it as a transparent PNG, and then you can be able to apply, edit that particular shape and add the shadow. No, not this one, circle, sorry. So this is the circle, so it doesn't give me any cutout edges. Okay, so this is a circle. Position this behind and make sure it's in the middle. Okay, so go to edit image, click on blur. What's happening? Okay, sorry, edit image, click on blur. Okay, I'm gonna reduce this, break it down again. I think I'm gonna have to reduce transparency too. Okay, reduce this again, reduce this. So yep, so we have our shadow, and I think I'm just gonna reduce this a bit. Okay, so we're almost there. Now the next thing I did, now we've gotten our background image, we've placed the planets and the shadows. Now the next thing I am going to do is, hold on, hold on, go to elements and select this image first. I'm going to use it and come over to frame, select this particular frame. Then I'm going to move this image and increase it so it's of the same size with the background image, and then bring it somewhere here, somewhere here, something like this. So it looks like it's covered. Now it's not 100% perfect, okay, but at least it's still okay. And so move this, bring it here. Yep. It's not perfect. And the next thing I did was selected the image again. Where is it? Where is it? This is the image, and then I removed the background. It's difficult to remove the background of an image like this. Okay, so it wasn't perfect because it was covered with trees and there was no space, so it was a bit difficult trying to remove the background. But let's just see how it turns out, and you can see how I manipulated and get the result that I was looking for. It's loading because this is not just an ordinary image, it's a bit complicated. I guess that's why it's taking a lot of time. Please load. We are waiting. Okay, so this is it. Now the next thing I did was I clicked on erase. Okay, increase the brush size and then started erasing. I just needed a little portion of this, a little portion, just a little. Just a little portion, almost there. Please don't go out of line, please. Thank you. Just a little, almost there. I think this would do, right? Just okay. So because of time, I'm just going to go with this. Click on done, click on apply, and we have our image. Just give it few minutes, few seconds rather, because it's still showing saving pause here, and I don't want to risk starting all over again. So let's just hold on a bit. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do like this video so YouTube can show it to more people that might need this. Alright, that's the only favor I need from you. This is taking quite some time. Please, 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 we need to. Okay, it's still showing saving post. I don't know why. Okay, let me just switch it up a bit. Okay, now we're good to go. So I'm gonna bring this here, turn it a bit, so, and cover this part, duplicate this, bring it somewhere here, rotate it, so cover this part, and then I added another tree. Think bush, bush. This is bush. Bring bush somewhere here. Apply the filter effect also, so it looks like the rest of them. Okay, so this is it. I duplicated this particular one and make sure that this intensity was high. Reduce the brightness, increase the contrast, and increase the blur. What was I trying to achieve with this? I wanted to make it look like there was a shadow just behind it, so it appears on this particular design, and make it look like it was really covered. Okay, make the planet looks like it was really covered. So I'm gonna edit this again. I think the intensity can still be increased, so something like this. Now they all look, at least now you have an idea of how I got this, so you can see how it looks similar. Now you can apply another, I added another shadow just behind this, so you can use the same method to achieve that. Because of time, I'm just going to go straight and show you how I achieved this particular one. So now you know how we got this. Okay, now I duplicated this. Now search for ocean, but because of time, I will just show you the particular one I used. Think, I think this was it. If I'm not mistaken, this was it. I'm not sure if it was this. Let me just confirm, but it definitely has to be. Yes, this is it. In this here. And then I reduced the transparency to, let's say, 70 and locked it so it doesn't affect the background. Oops, no, we're not done yet, sorry. Okay, and now we're good. So this is how I achieved this particular design. I hope you've learned something new today. You can follow the steps and create something similar, just to learn and just to step up your design game. Yep, so that's just it. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. um so see you on the next video tutorial. Thank you guys.